Hello, so welcome to our channel. So today we are going to solve the TryHackMe lab called the Web Security Essentials. So before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Okay, so let's go. So here the first answer is okay, the complete. The second is why web. The shift from desktop to web-based application. So I have actually learned all of this already. So let's directly go to the questions. Have applications shifted from desktop to web over past couple of years? Okay, yeah. Who is ultimately responsible for ensuring the security of users' data? Okay, so it is web app owner is responsible. So in case of the infrastructure, okay, so I will give the link to this particular lab in the comment section or in the description. So next question is, what does your web browser send to a server to receive web page? Okay, so it sends a request. What web server is most commonly used to host web pages? Okay, so it's Apache. What do we call the OS and environment that runs the web server and application? We call it a host machine. Okay, so let's go to task number 4, protecting the web. So the question is, what cybersecurity concept involves stopping or limiting damage from threats? So it is called a mitigation. Okay, so next question is, what security control involves ensuring all software and components are up to date? It is called a patch management. Okay, so let's go to next task, which is defense systems. So the first question is, which type of web application firewall operates by running on same system as application itself? So its answer is very simple. Answer is host based. Let's check. Okay, so wait. This might be this way. Let's check. Yes, right answer. Which common WAF detection technique works by matching incoming request against known malicious patterns? So the answer is very simple. Answer is signature based. Okay, okay, signature, then based. We are good to go. So here we will open our site. Then let's continue this one. Your app leaks detailed error when it crashes. What does developer do early in development to secure it? Okay, second is attackers can inject code into your login form. How do we block it? Okay, the first is input. This is the correct one. Okay, an employee can see the the admin dashboard. What security measure help to stop this? Okay, first is restricts user so they only see appropriate data. Okay, second is the system hardening, lockdown unnecessary and ports. Access control is the right answer. So here it is our first flag. Okay, so before that, again, don't forget to subscribe our channel and like the video. So let's go to our second one. So here is the first question. How can you reduce your server's exposure while also speeding up content delivery? So server's exposure. So first is the right answer, CDN. Which security measure helps ensure malicious requests never reach your server? Okay, protective barrier is the right answer. So when configuring your web server, what should you enable so unusual traffic patterns can be investigated later? So access login is the correct answer so that we will have the record of the who have logged into and at what time. Okay, so here we go. We are at our last flag. So here is question. How can you protect your endpoint from harmful or unauthorized software? So Here is first the antivirus that detects and automatically blocks the dangerous files. Your web server runs with admin rights. What safer setup should you use? We should use the least privilege one so that the employees or the users will have only the permissions that required to complete their specific job. Used ports are open and outdated. Services are still running. How do you reduce the risk? Okay, unused ports, unused, open and outdated. So the both might be the answer. So we need to select the most appropriate one, reduce the risk. So the option one is the correct, yes. So here we go, we have got. So before that, we have full playlist for the TryHackMe CTFs, so you can watch. So that's it for the lab. See you in next one. Thank you so much.